Hello, Wildcats. This is Miss Ivy here for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today I'm coming at you from my backyard. That's one of the great things of distance learning. So I wanted to encourage you to go outside, take those walks, enjoy the nice weather. So in the future, I'm going to be working on some green screen stuff where we can kind of get the feel of still doing this in our library. But today it is a great day outside, so I want to encourage you to go outside, take a walk, and also don't forget to do all of your schoolwork. So today I'm sharing with you the insignificant events in the life of a cactus. So it's kind of a weird title. But remember I told you that all of these books that I'm sharing with you now are going to be ebooks that you all have access to. So you can go through the steps that are on the website and check this book out. So in this one, Avon Green loves to tell people that she lost her arms in an alligator wrestling match or a wildfire in Tanzania. But the truth is she was born without them. And when her parents take a job running a rundown stagecoach western theme park in Arizona, she dreads the fact that she will have to answer these questions over and over and over again. And so little did she know that her new life takes an unexpected turn when she bonds with Connor, one of her classmates, who also feels very isolated because of his own disability. And they discover a secret room in this stagecoach theme park that has bigger secrets than Avon could ever imagine. So it's hard to solve a mystery, help a friend, face your worst fears, but Avon is about to discover that maybe she can do it all. So to find out what happens, you would read The Insignificant Events in the Life of a Cactus. So this is Miss Ivy coming at you from my backyard, but as always, Miss Ivy from your Wayside Library.